Hey, what's going on? This is Chad from Foreign Family. We've been getting a lot of emails and comments on our Facebook and blog about what type of bikes we ride, where do we get those colors of the wheels and stuff like that. So we just decided to do a video bike check today for everyone that's been curious on what type of bikes and what parts we're getting and stuff like that. So here you guys go. So right here, we got the Shadow Conspiracy stun wheels that go well with the Shadow Conspiracy forks. These forks are pretty strong. Takes a lot of impact and stuff like that. Hasn't bent yet. Well, the tires, we have the Animal GLH in the front. For the stem, we have the Primo Annihilator stem. It's a pretty solid stem. It holds really well. There's no slipping. For the bars, we have the 8-inch Rise Fit Northwestern bars. Grips, we got the Animal De La Rosas without the flange. For the frame, everyone's been asking about the frame. It's an FBM frame, 20.5 top tube. It's pretty sick, nice and beefy. Takes a good little beating. The seat, we got a really sick Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat. It's all black fabric with matching blue embroidery with the Shadow Conspiracy logo. It's pretty soft and padded and very light. I have the Shadow Conspiracy seat post, the pivotal seat post. It matches the rims and the fork in the seat. It's blue, nice little color combo. Cranks, we have the Shadow Conspiracy cranks in orange. We have a 25 tooth driver. It's spline driven. The back, we have a Shadow Conspiracy stun rim on a Raptor hub. It's a 9-tooth driver with the Animal ASM slick in the back. This is what it sounds like. Big ups to Ronnie and Dave for hooking this up at Sparky's Distribution, and thank you to Shadow Conspiracy for all the parts. I swear I could beat him in these bikes. Go!